bless you. Alright, so I hope you can see. Check out these over here. I wonder where is people getting this from. Bumper, I need one. Seen this car before.
Put it on there, but because of the way the wheels are in the actual stance, it actually is. I mean, I don't know. It has a stance to it that I like. So that's what.
My bad. Oh, that's sweet.
Mopar Call Edition. So best of luck to everybody. Once again, thank you so much. I appreciate that on behalf of Mopar Street Kings. Let's go ahead and have a good time. Thank you so much. Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick announcement. Big shout out to our sponsor here, Detail Garage, North Richland Hills. Thank you for allowing us to use your parking lot. They are offering 20% off their products this evening, so come out and support our sponsor. Once again, 20% off. Thank you.
Who said big sound can't come again? Come again, come again. Who said big sound can't come again? Come again, come again. Who said big sound can't come again? Come again, come again. Who said big sound can't come again?
Literally just seen this car earlier, I swear to God. I'm the people who did it. I swear to God, I just seen this on Instagram. That's crazy. What up, boy? My bad, I didn't mean to scare you like that. You alright?
Yo, shit, that was horrible as fuck. And he said I can park in the front.
Yeah, I see you. It's my girlfriend. It's Cam.
Man, I was like, what the fuck? I couldn't find nowhere to park.
Man, you well, no, somebody took that spot. Never mind.
I was trying to park with my homeboy at the Red V6. I don't know where
The gin like yours?
Yeah.
I parked by him.
Yeah, I was like, kept my phone.
They got a whole line of. I know that's what I was talking about earlier. They got a whole line of TRXs. They leaving? Oh. Yeah, most definitely. It's reflective too. Shake. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Oh, right. What they climbing? They fooling.
Want me to treat you like my queen? Realize I'm your king, man. But if you're looking for somebody to kiss your ass, don't fuck with me. I just wanna get in there like somewhere you can leave. But this shit's so crazy now with
You like it better like this? Do you like it better like that? You over here?
Yeah, I do.
For real. I need to get them, what's the name? I got you. Some big tracks. first time seeing a Chrysler Hellcat in real life. What you got? Man, that shit hard. Y'all can't lie. That's my first time seeing a Hellcat Chrysler in real life. Nice little line there.
Nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?